Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Quetzalcoatlus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Quetzalcoatlus from Jurassic World Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come back in like a check mark. Next, we're going to bring this line down and up for the actual eye. And then we're going to make a couple little lines right around the eye for a little bit of detail. Next, let's bring this line over and down for like the eyebrow. Now, starting above the eye, we're going to make the beak. So let's begin by making a line that's going to curve down. Then I want to start lower right here underneath this line. I don't want to start up here. I'm going to start down here, and I'm just going to kind of curve this line up. Then I'm going to make this come down. It's like there's a big hook on the beak. Next, let's make this line pointed, and we're going to bring this kind of over to here and then just curve it up. Next, for the mouth, let's bring this line down to here. Then we're going to bring this up. Then we'll make a little line that comes down and up for the tongue. Now let's make a little line that's just going to come right across there. That's going to hook back up. And then we're going to bring this up to here and connect it. Then right here, let's curve this line around and up. Next, as I bring this back, I'm going to make this line come down like this. And then I'm going to kind of keep doing this a few more times, just kind of like make some little bit of texture. Now we want to make like an indentation in here. So in this part of the beak, let's bring a line that's going to go up and down. And we're going to kind of curve this around. Don't connect it though. That's going to make it look like there's like an indentation. Now under here, let's make a few curved lines for part of the neck. We'll make a couple more, and then we're going to bring this line down to here. Then this part of the neck, let's bring this line to here. Now let's continue this. We'll make a little bump for the shoulder. Then we're going to make this come out, and we'll angle it down for the elbow. We'll bring this line in. Then we're going to curve it down to here. Next, let's bring this line all the way up here. Then we're going to make it come back down. We want to keep it nice and skinny though. Bring it to about there. Now we're going to put these little kind of like claws on here. So let's make a little point. We'll make one more and then a tiny one there. Next, we're going to bring this up and make it kind of go up and into here. Then we're going to make this kind of come down and in here. We'll make like a little bit of a bump there. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it to there at the curve. And then we're just going to bring it up to here to kind of show that really thin part of the wing. Now for the body, we're almost going to add like some feathers onto here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these kind of like little pointed lines. They're just going to curve down and come back to here. And then we're going to make some come right there. Next, I'm going to put a foot over here. So we're going to make the leg. We're going to make this kind of come down and then in like this. We're going to make this come out to a point and then back. Make another one here. and one more right there, and bring this back. I'm going to bring this line up to here, and then we're going to bring it back. Next, we're going to have another leg kind of coming back here. So I'm going to bring this line down. I'll make another little point that comes out. One here, and then one more here. And then we're going to bring this back up. I'll make it kind of pop through there. Next, let's make this other arm. So we're going to make this line come out and down. Then we're going to make this come out to here, and then we're going to go down at an angle. We'll make another little hand on here. We'll come out and in, and we'll do one more here. We're going to bring this up to here. Then we're going to bring this in and then up. Then this time we're going to curve this up and down towards the leg. Then right here we're going to make a big curve that's going to come up and down for part of that wing. Now we got our basic shape of our Quetzalcoatlus. We just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to make a little broken line that comes up here. And I'm going to run a little broken line right along here for the beak. I'm going to make these little curved lines to show little indentations in there. We'll make a broken line up here and then a couple little lines that go across. I'm going to add some long, kind of skinny feathers, different sizes all along the head here. Let's make some little lines that kind of come down here on the neck. And then I'm going to make these little broken kind of points here just to kind of show where there's some feathers and then where it's going to be a little bit more like reptile skin. We can make some little broken lines kind of right around the arms here. And then even some coming down here too. I like to add a couple little lines coming down these parts just to kind of match. And we don't want to forget to add the little claws on the feet and the hands. You can add some little lines on here and a few little lines by the feet. Even adding some extra lines on here just to kind of show a little bit more of that different texture on our Quetzalcoatlus. Even like some different little lines on here too, just kind of make it look like we're part of this, you know, more skin, wing, flap textures, kind of like stretching. And then inside here we can always make a little pupil that we kind of color in, leaving a little bit white. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Quetzalcoatlus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.